print something, right? Okay, it's still installing. Okay, hello. Okay, control S, save that one. make sure make sure that when you write, see, make sure that there is a white, right? We shouldn't have a white thing. Control S, say control S. Okay, go here, type python space the file name, space, give space, and the file name of the file. So Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from Microsoft Store. This is a shortcut from settings. Manage executing allies. Okay, I'm going to send you other video today. So then, because you missed something installations, I will send you the something. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, um, anyway, so we will discuss. But this is the way to run, because it says Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from Microsoft. Disable this shortcut from settings. Manage app. Okay, I will send you the new video so that you can do it. So Landon, have you had a chance to install?
I did on my dad's computer, but I'm on a different computer right now, so I don't think.
Okay. Yeah. So no worries. So what we are going to do?
Should I stop sharing?
Okay, you can stop sharing. Yes. So I'm going to share. Then we'll go and. So, okay, so now one thing I'm going to do here. Okay, so we did here print hello world. Make sure that I give a file name dot small letters dot py, right? Then if I come here from Mac, I type python 3 dot space mason current file mason 1 dot py hello world. So if I delete this one, now I'm going to write numbers equal to, let's say 3 comma 6 comma 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9. If I say I'm taking one variable, duplicate equal to null, I'm mentioning just none. Okay, none. So for I in range length of numbers, I'm going to show an example so that for j numbers, if numbers of I equal to numbers of j, duplicate is equal to break. So now I'm going to one more step ahead. For I in range, so for I in range,
That's it? That looks cute. It looks like Arnold.
if numbers of I is equal to duplicate, print I. So now I'm going to show you an example for a big O notation. How many for loops we have here?
How many formats?
No, how many for loops? For loops.
Oh.
In this code, how many for loops we have?
2.
2. That's right. Here, how many?
Well,
Only one.
1.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this is entire thing is one program. First thing we have to learn what I'm going to teach here. This is n means one loop. So here n square, so n square and n power n square, n squared equal to how many loops, which means equal to n square. This is n square. So if we have two for loops, that's n square, means n square, we call it iterations, iterations, iterations. Okay, that is n square iterations. So next n, okay, next one is n iterations, iteration, n iterations. So here what we have to find is the duplicate value, because we have two threes. Let's say if I run this program, you get 1 comma 5. So I do we are we in the right file? Okay, we got 1 comma file. Okay, so here we got a 1 comma file, numbers is equal to duplicates. Okay, so if numbers of I equal to numbers of j, duplicates is equal to numbers of I. So here 6 3 6 2, so we are finding index numbers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
0 1 6 3 3 6 8. So if we find, let's say now we are finding there, but then don't look at this problem with the solutions. But here what I'm trying to say is, we have a for loops, two for loops, that's called n squared iterations. Here n one for loop means n iterations. If I go here, so if I come here, I'm going to explain one thing. So always you have to find a time complexity. Time is equal to a times n square plus b times n plus c. Okay, a times n square
Okay.
plus b times n plus c equal to, first we have to see what is the, so here two rules you have to remember. Make sure that you have to take notes at the same time. If you can, it will be more helpful. First you have to remember two things. You have to keep fastest growing term, keep fastest growing term, okay. Second one is drop constants, okay. So which one is the fastest growing? This one grows faster, this one goes faster, or this one goes fast? So this is c got cancelled because drop constants, we have to drop c because it's a constant. In these two cases, which one is the fastest going? A times n square or b times n?
A time B times N.
B times n is not going faster because you have two loops, means this one goes down. If you have one loop, only we take the highest loops. Okay, so
Okay.
time is equal to a times n square. Again, a is constants, you have to drop constants. If you drop a, then what will be the answer? N square. This is our big O notation. Okay,
Okay.
so let's say there is one example I'm gonna give you, then you have to answer. So big O refers, ref refers to very large, big O refers to very large value of n. Big O refers to very large value of n. Hence, if you have a function like, let's say if you have function like big O refers to a large value of n. Okay, large value of n square is the large, right? N square. Make sense, guys, in this example? So
Yeah.
let's say time is equal to 5n square plus 3n plus 20. What will be the big O here?
5N.
So because you have to drop the constant 20, and again this is a different iteration, you will drop this one, then we will have 5n square, right?
Yeah.
5n square, then again 5 is a constant, 5 is a number you have to drop. What will be the answer? Big O is O of n square. Make sense?
Yeah.
So let's say here when the value of n is very large, when the value of n is very large, b times n plus c become irrelevant. irrelevant. Okay, so b times n is irrelevant. b times n plus c is irrelevant. Let's say, if say for example n equal to 1000. Okay, what is our equation at the beginning? 5n square plus 3n plus c, 3n plus 20, which means 5, what is n square? 1000 square, right?
Yeah.
Plus 3 times 1000 plus 3. Okay, so here 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 plus, so this is 20, right? So 3 times, this is 3000 plus 20, this is 5000, sorry, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, plus this is 3020. Which one is the highest one? Time is equal to, so this one is the lowest one. We have to drop
Yeah.
this one, we have to keep this one, which means we have to take the n square. So big O is the n square. Okay, here two important things here you have to remember. Measuring running time growth, time complexity. Okay, measuring running time growth means time complexity, right? Okay,
Yeah.
measuring means, so you take time, how long it take, right? This is measuring running time growth means time complexity. Next one, measuring space growth. Measuring space growth means space complexity. Okay, measuring space growth means space complexity. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so we haven't started data structures and algorithms yet implementation, but I'm explaining how to find what is the data structure and algorithms means, right? Let's say you have an array 4 9 15 21 and 34 57 68 57 68, let's say 91. So if you want to search for 68, if you want to search a 68, where is the 68? What is the index 68? Can someone guess?
6.
Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, great. 6 is the index. So let's say if you want to search this, so let's, how many loops we need right now? I'm going to take this one, I'm going to comment this one. Okay, so I'm going to comment this one. So if I come here, let's say array equal to, okay, so array I would say I'm going to delete these numbers, but I'm going to give a random number. So let's say change the value to numbers. Okay, numbers is equal to, I'm giving the, okay, so we took the numbers like 4 comma 9 comma, what was that, 15 comma 21 comma 34 comma 57 comma 68 comma 91. Okay,
Okay.
so now I'm saying length of range. So here, so what is our, this is a syntax. How do you find? So I need to find 68. So if I run this code, see, you said already 6, right? You said, who said, Mason or Landon?
Me.
Mason.
Mason. Okay, Landon here. Do you guys understand this code? If you guys don't understand, I'm going to explain. Be honest with me, please. I want you to succeed.
I'm pretty sure I understand most of it, just except for the loop.
The loop. Okay, I'm going
Yeah.
to
Same.
explain. You
Huh?
you understand, right?
I have the same issues as Mason.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna pay attention really closely right here.
Yeah, please pay attention. I'm going to so I'm going to do one thing. So okay, so here I'm going to explain. So you can see one more time. So numbers is equal to, you can write it down in a paper, so that I will go through, I will explain each thing, how it's going to work out.
Okay.
Okay, so if I write here, so have you guys done writing the code?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you guys run this, so I'm going to show what is our array name. Can anyone can guess what is our array name?
Numbers.
Numbers. Great. Okay,
Yeah.
anyone can guess what is the size? So how do you count size? Size means length. How do you start from the length? Anyone can guess
Start
what
at
is the length?
0.
So 0 means no. Size length you don't count from 0. What do you count? What thing you count as a 0? Index. If you find
Oh, yeah.
index, you count as 0.
Yeah.
What will you? How will you count if you want me to find length or size?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many elements we have? Anyone can guess?
1.
8.
Oh wait, no.
8.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, 8. Do you understand mention? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is, see, we haven't started implementing DSA, data structures and algorithms. I'm showing you an example what the data structures and algorithm look like. This is an example how I'm going to show, because you have done these all things before, right? So
Yeah.
if I go step ahead, see what is the I value here?
0.
Okay, so if I put the numbers, so if you see this one, can someone read from the line 3? 0 equal to 4.
Yeah, 1 equal to 9, 2 equal to 15, 3 equal to 21, 4 equal to 34, 5 equal to 57, 6 equal to 68, 7 equal to 91,
Great.
and 1 equal to 8.
Okay, so you are, which means these numbers, it will takes first I equal to 4. So when I 0 equal to 4, when I 1 equal to 9, when I 2, it will be 15, when I 3, it will be 21. Make sense?
Yeah. I have a question. What decides if it's an index or not?
Sorry, can you repeat it? Can you say slowly?
What decides if the data is an index or not?
Oh, I'm so sorry, I had a hard time.
Like because indexes start from 0
Yes.
and count to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
What's the difference between an index and what we're doing like right now?
Oh,
Like how can we tell if it starts from 0 or not.
So when you use a square bracket, do you see the square bracket?
Oh yeah.
Square bracket of I means it's an index. Square brackets means it index based. Okay, when you
Okay.
see square brackets, I mentioned this one but you asked me this question 3 times, but I'm very happy to answer because I want you to succeed, because I don't want to go faster. See, what is our goal? Do you guys remember what is our goal for this program?
To learn.
To learn. So in the US, they say, oh, this is Monday, this is Tuesday, right? You have to do this one.
Yeah.
Then they don't go back, right?
Mhm.
My goal is not like that. My goal is to make you guys smart, make you guys to be understand. I am very appreciated you asked me a good question. So when you say length means you use open closed brackets. This is open closed
Yeah.
bracket for the length. Okay, I'm going to show
Okay.
you, demonstrate an example how I do. So what we have to find is a 68, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many times the loop runs? How many times the
Once.
for loop runs? Anyone can guess when it's going to stop? If the length is, if I put here in the numbers, you can see the length is 8. When it's going to stop? If the length is 8, when the loop is going to stop?
Um.
So if the length is 8,
When it's finished with the numbers.
so if the length is 8, when it's going to stop?
At A.
No, because 8 means you're out of the boundaries when you go through index. Because when you go through index, you go from 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, right?
Yeah.
If the length is 8, when are you going to stop?
7.
7. Makes sense, Landon?
Yeah.
Because you start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Makes sense?
Yeah.
So here
Yeah.
I'm saying numbers of I. Numbers of I, what is this 0? Numbers of I here 0, right?
Yeah.
I means 0. What is 0 index? What has 0 index?
The
What?
4.
4. Yeah. So now I'm saying if numbers of I, which means index of 0, index of 0 equal to this one, then print I. Make sense?
Yeah.
So index of 0, what is index of 0?
4.
4. 4 equal to 68?
No.
No. That's it. So then it says if you print numbers and the print of what, so if I come here in the cursor I, what is I inside right now? 0, right?
Yeah.
Then I go here, because this is why it didn't print this one. Why?
Because it's 0.
Because 0, because numbers of 0 is what?
4.
4. Great. Because 4 is not equal to 68, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When I go for the step, okay, now anyone can guess what will be I, the next iteration?
9.
No. Okay, that is the element. So what will be the index of I? In this case, what will be the index of I?
5.
No. So you said element 9, which is stored in index I. What is the index number will be here?
0.
0 for 4, right? When you
Yeah.
that is the first iteration, first time when it loop runs. The second time, what will be the I? Landon,
Yeah.
what will be the
Would be
I?
9.
That is the value of I. That is the value of I. What will be the I? You already know. You spoke.
68.
No.
Oh, 2. Right?
No, that is the
1.
length 2. That is 1. Because
Yeah.
first time 0 of, if I put cursor, you see, right? 1.
Yeah.
This is called debugging. You can see. Now, what is index of 1 has? what is index of 1 has?
9.
9. Then it goes, when I click here, it goes here. Index of 1, if I put cursor, what is index of 1 has? If I put here, what is index of 1 has? 9, right?
Yeah.
If the 9 is 68, 9 equal to 68? No. No, right?
No.
Both are not equal. Then again it's going to the loop. So if I run so fast, so when I equal 4, 5, it runs. So why I got this many values? All okay. So what I did, okay, I did something wrong, means that's not wrong, but I give one more statement here, right? So I have given a statement here, so we don't need this one, but I showed you to see. So that's called a debugging. Okay, so now, okay, now you can see here numbers. If I run this one, okay, if I run, okay, so what is how do we say python 3 space mason 1 dot py. If I type, see,
Sorry about that.
what's that?
Sorry about that. That was by accident.
No, it's okay. Now we got 6. So now I'm going to explain in come on. Okay, so now I'm going to explain. So everyone has your code, right? Everyone has written your code on your paper or notepad, some, so that I'm explaining how each thing works. So make sense? Can I go ahead and explain?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm explaining it now. So numbers is a variable, so I'm saying, okay, numbers, can you, so what are the numbers? Anyone can tell me if you write it down? Landon, Mason, will you please tell me the numbers?
Sorry, say the question again.
What was the array? What is the array of the elements? What are the elements? First one is what?
Numbers. 0.
No,
Is it one? Is it 2?
no. We have you guys written this one?
Oh,
it's
yeah.
4. It's 4.
Okay, 4. Then
9.
9.
Sure, wait. Is it 16?
No, have you guys write it down, because you have to write it down so that we
It's
can.
15. I'll write it down real quick.
Yeah, please write it down so that we can understand what I'm going to. If you don't write it down, it's going to be very hard.
Okay, I got it.
Everything right, all the 4 lines of code.
Oh. Almost, yeah. Okay.
So okay, 4, 9, and 15. What is next one?
21,
21. Next,
34,
34.
57,
57. Next,
68,
68. Next,
91.
91. Okay, so this is the, when you count element, means you're saying the size of the element. Okay, what is the size here? So
The size is 8.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Good. So this is a 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the sizes. Sorry, 7 8. Okay, first. Okay, now when you count index based, what is this index? 0 1 2 3 4 5
7.
6 7. This is called indexes. So indexes starts from 0, size starts from 1. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so now this is, we declare array. If I go here for I in range, this is a range function, because we explained the range function 3 times back in the code. So length of numbers, Length of numbers. Oh, okay. What is the length of numbers? Anyone can guess what is this length of the array? Numbers means array. What is the length for the given array?
Is it 7?
No. Length and size are the same meaning.
Oh, like of the numbers or of the name?
No, the length means how many elements we have.
Yeah. Oh, 1.
No, length of all the elements. How many elements we have?
Oh, 8.
8. So it's basically 8. This means 8, right? This means what? 8.
8.
Okay. If range function always starts from 0, starts from 0 means when it's going to end. Because we have in 8 elements, if it starts from 0, when it's going to end.
If it starts at 0, when is it gonna end?
Yeah,
7.
7.
Oh,
That's great.
6. Okay.
Because
Yeah.
length of numbers 8, because it starts, range function always starts from 0 0 0 0. So this is what it's going to be end. When it's become 8, which means it's going to stop. When it's become 8 means it's going to stop, because we don't have any elements, right, after 7. So index of 7 means 8th element. Index of 6th means 7th element. Index of 7th means 6th element. 6th means 5th element. What is 5th element? 34. So it starts from range. So numbers, let's take how this is going to work out. So numbers. So can someone can tell me numbers fast?
1, 2,
No,
3,
those
4.
not numbers. The numbers of array what we stored just now.
Oh,
4.
yeah, 4.
Next one.
I'm pulling them up. 4, 9, 15, 21, 34, 57, 68, 91.
Okay. So this means for I in range of length of numbers means first I is equal to 0, right? 0, right? I0 means 4.
Yeah.
I of 1 means 9. I of 2 means 15. I of 3 means 21. I of 4 means 34. I of 5 means 57. I of 6 means 68. I of 7 means 91. Make sense?
Yeah.
This is how it runs. That is the meaning. So for I in range length of numbers means 8 means if I will be numbers of 8, right? So for length of 8 means it will end when it's going to end 7. Why it's going to end 7? Because
8 is where it ends.
yeah, because it starts from 0. Index starts from 0. Okay. What if I have 10 here, when it's going to end?
9.
9. That's good. Make sense, Landon?
Yeah.
Okay. Now then there is a condition. What is a condition? If numbers of I equal to 68, right? If numbers of I equal to 68, then print I. Print of I. So we need to print I. If numbers of I, see, this is a square bracket means what we say. Square brackets means what we going to see? We see
Index?
index. Good. Great. Index. This means what we are going to see?
It starts from 0.
No, this is from 0 index. What we are going to
Yeah.
see if we bracket like this?
Oh, it'll be,
The actual element, right?
yeah.
Okay, the actual element. It says numbers of I equal to 68. So what does this do? The loop goes to every element, every iteration.
Yeah.
It checks if 0, no, this is 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 no. Oh, this one. Yeah. So
Yeah.
because if it's square bracket means it sees this one. I of 6, what is I of 6 means?
It means it's equal to.
Yeah, I of 6
Like-
what has I of 68? I of 6 has 68, right?
Yeah.
So I of 6 means it's going to be 68. 68 is equal to 68. Is it true?
Yeah.
Okay, then it print I. Print of I. Print of I means what was I? What is I?
0.
No,
Or
in this
X.
case. In this case, what?
6.
6. Then the answer will be 6. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So since we have one for loop, what is going to be the big O?
To find something equal to it. Right.
So if we have for loop, one for loop means big O of n, O of n, O of n. What if we have two for loops means O of n square? What if we have three loops means O of n cube? What if
Yeah.
we have four loops? O of n
O of n fourth
1/4,
and 4.
n to the power 4, n fourth. Yeah. So now we have only one for loop. We go through this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that is how do we search for numbers? So that is how we search for numbers. Um, that's what we do. That's called a iteration, searching for a big O notation. So okay, big O notation. So there are so many things we use in the big O notation. So we will learn so many things how we are going to use a big O notation. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So so our topic will be next. Okay, our topic will be we are going to see the big O notation. So see, if O of log n or O of 1 is the excellent, right? So this is called this is called size elements, like what the size is. This is called time, how long it took the time, how long it does take. Okay, so how long it is taken. Okay, so this one, let me know guys if you need a break. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we have, yeah, if you guys need break then we'll take break, if not then I will give. See, O of 1 means there are no loops. It's a excellent best algorithm. O of log n means good, O of n means fair, O of n log n means bad, O of n square means horrible, worst. So we will learn lot of these. These are JavaScript, but I'm going to explain now. Our topic is array. Okay, in this first our topic is
Do you think you could go back to that real quick?
Sure.
Like the O of.
not this one only. Oh yeah, thank you so
Yeah,
much for asking. These are
Just
the
gonna.
oh yeah, write it down. I will explain
Yeah.
it later deep. So make sure that if you guys write it down, this diagram first, this is the main diagram. So we will deep dive into problems, and when I explain data structures and algorithms, you people will understand better.
Okay.
Okay, so write it down, this one. Thank you so much for asking.
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
Okay, so you can also take this one. See, what is the meaning of O of 1? Means there are no loops, just only one line of code. Um, so I will explain this in little bit. Uh, anyone can guess what is this line means? Operations mean, is this a time? How long the time takes? This is means size, right? Size.
Yeah.
Size and time. Okay. So n means how many for loops we have.
Fair.
Yeah, fair is means how, n means how many for loops we have.
3.
No, n means only one for loop. what if we have n square means 2,
2.
n
Yeah.
cube means
3.
yeah, you know n factorial, right? N times n times n times so on, right?
Yeah.
So if we have more for loops, this is a bad algorithm, right?
Yeah.
Because if you have a more algorithms, it takes lot of time to run the program. It takes the lot of time to run the program. Make sense?
Yep.
Yeah.
So okay, so one other thing is okay, so here now we are going to talk about rules. So okay, you guys already know list. I'm going to do this one. Create an empty array. Okay, so guys, I have a question. Are you guys willing? How many hours can you spend in a week for homework?
I'd say
The whole
probably
week.
like 10 hours.
Oh,
Yeah.
great! Thank you so much. That's the honest. That's the really honest answer. Okay, so really honest answer. Yeah, if you spend
doing, Landon? I missed out.
if you spend 10 hours, you're going to do great. If you, I promise you, if you spend 10 hours, you will do great. So empty array. So what is our array name here? ARR. Okay, equal to empty array means this is a declaration of empty array, right?
Yeah.
Next, create an array with some initial elements. Create an array with some initial elements. So array equal to 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 something. So and also there is one thing here. So okay, so here if I, so now okay, so I'm writing here ACC access the first element ALEMENT. How can I access the first element? So what should I say? Printf array of 0, right? Printf array of 0, right? So
Yeah.
printf array of 0, what you will get? Array of 0 means 1, right? Array of 0
Yeah.
means you will get 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, array of 0 means you will get 1. That's true, or is it true?
Yeah.
Because index based is 0. If I access 0, you will get an answer. The output will
1.
be the output will be 1. The output will be 1. Okay, the output will be 1. So access the last element. How can we access last element? You can say there are two ways to access the last element, right? You can say printf, because -1 also, -1 starts from this, right? This is -1
Yeah.
-2 from right to left, right? So if I go here print oh sorry we're in a wrong, because I'm using midterm. So oh okay, we are in the wrong file. That's okay. So I'm gonna type here python 3 space midterm midterm.py. okay, 1 and 10, right? So you can also use 9 also, you can get that same result, right?
Yeah.
Because 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is that 10, and if you access from the negative side, you will get a 1. So if I, what will I get if I negative 4? Anyone can guess what will be the output? Landon, will you please guess what will be the output of negative 4?
Yeah. The output of -4.
Yeah.
Would that be 7?
Okay, Mason, is it true? Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. You people are smart. I know. You people are smart. So, I have so much faith in you. You got this. So, the only thing what we have to do is to practice more. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Adding elements. Adding elements. So append function add the element in the last index. So see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what adding an element. So you can also do insert an element too. Insert insert an element at a specific index. First, if I change this one to, so what will
The call's about to end in 3 minutes, by the way.
okay, after this I'm going to end, then we'll take some break.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what will be the output? Anyone can guess? What does this mean? 0, 45.
Does it add 0 and 45 at the end?
No, only append function adds whatever you put, which means 0, 45 means what is the position of 0 has? What is 0 index has?
1.
It replaced with the 45.
Oh, okay.
Okay. we already did before. Yeah, now you remember, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we will discuss this what we call this array, then we'll come back. Okay, anyways, let's go and take few minutes. How many minutes do you guys need a break?
I could do like 10. If
Okay.
that's okay.
Okay, yeah, after you, Mason and Landon.
Yeah, I'll say that's good. 10 minutes.
Okay, maybe we'll see in 10 minutes. Okay, see you soon.
Alright,
Alright,
see
bye.
ya.
Bye.